So I'm here once again. I just had to interrupt the video because of the 10-minute limit of YouTube. So let's continue how to initialize an actor and how to make the message injection. First of all, you see that there is an actor launch VI. Let me show you where you can find it. There is a medical langer subfolder, sub-palette after you install the advanced message maker, and in that there is an actor add-on, and in there you can find this launch actor. It has the same inputs as the launch actor. There is only one extra input, which is this identification, actor identification, and this input expects you to use a child of the identification classes. I have made two child classes. One is the identify by clone number, the other is identify by enqueuer, and using the variant attribute lookup method to look it up when you want to search for an actual actor ID. I always use the identify by clone number. It's fast. It functions the following way. When you launch an actor, then it launches the actor, and it reads back the clone number of the actor core and sends it back with a synchronous message. And because it uses a synchronous message, this is the first message that it sends back, and it cannot get another message until it sends it back. So there will be no synchronization issues. Yeah, and it returns back the actor ID. So you can use it to create a mapping in this actual S mediator actor, which is the actor which is the postmaster. So it transmits the messages and knows from which actor to which actor should it be sent. Then when we use this VI, that's also here, as the send child message info, then we have to tell it that which is the actor that we want that has the send message. That is the B actor, as we have seen. We have to tell it what is the child information. First of all, what is the send message that we want to update the child information for, and this one, let's see where it is. So this is the message injection class of the send message, of the get new string send message, and we have to tell that which class will be the child class of this one, which class will override this send dd get new string vi, and that's here. And let's see where it is. It's a new message in the S mediator actor. And the way it works is, first we have created a transmit set new string vi, and the only thing it does that it calls the receive messages send something vi, and it uses a special vi in this S mediator which gets the actor ID and returns back the receiver's enqueuer. So this VI is the VI which routes the messages, and upon initialization, when we get the actor ID, when we use the launch actor, we should build up a mapping which will be used in this VI. Actually, when you make a transmit message, you should have the same connector pane as this VI has, but in the inside you can do anything what you like. This is the way I use it. You can use it this way or any other ways. So this transmit VI calls the receive message and transfers the data to it, and in this new message, that transmit get new string message, we use this VI as the source of the message making, and in the do VI, as you can see, this one is called. That's this transmit set new string. You see, transmit set new string VI. And how will this send the get new string VI be called? This is done by dynamic dispatching. So after we have initialized with the message injection the B actor, that when this send get new string VI is called, call the child's actual overriding VI instead of it. This will happen when we call the send get new string VI. The send get new string VI will be executed in the child class. And how to send the message? Well, in the actor where you have the send message, there is a new method inserted into the actors class under the messages subfolder, and that is the wrapper for sending the message, and it does nothing else. I always use this injected enqueuer. I have other options, but I never use that. Later on, if you also find it's not useful, we can make a new template. So first it reads from the actor's private data the message class, and which is the actual child class of the abstract message, and the enqueuer, is the receiver's enqueuer. And then we get this actor's actor ID for later for being able to identify which is the sender actor, and then we get the data that we want to send. This is a property access VI, but you can also make it as an input to this VI. And then we call this send get new string VI, and actually when I open it up, it shows that this is a dynamic dispatch VI. And if we have updated the child info with this class, then this will be executed. And this one, as you can see, let's show the class library, is this VI, is this class, which is a message in the S mediator. So this is the way it is built up, and I can show you a fast example. This S mediator has this start S. We have made a message for it to call this start S. It has only one input that tells us how many instances of A and B actors do we want to launch, and I launch it in the start test 1 VI. So we have to tell it what is the identification type, identified by clone number, and then we have to use the launch actor as we usually use the launch actor. So let's start it. Nothing happens because we have set the number of actors to be 0. Let's set it to 1, and then we can see that the message, which is a string message, and I just made up 10 messages one after each other, are executed, and when we stop it, the actors are closed.